On today's segment, I'll show you how to make these easy and flaky sour cream biscuits. Start by cutting a stick of butter into 1/4-inch pieces. Now place them back in the fridge to keep them chilled. In a big bowl, whisk the flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt and pepper, and sugar. Toss the butter pieces into the flour. Now I'll press the butter into the flour. This baking method is used to create specific texture in pastries such as pie crusts, tart shells, and certain cookies. Look at how I'm pressing the butter into the flour. This is going to create various size pieces, small and large. Using a fork, create a well in the center of the mixture. Add a cup of sour cream. Using a fork and working in circles, mix until large, shaggy clumps begin to form. Grab a piece of the dough, and if it comes together, turn out into a lightly floured surface. Using a bench scraper or your hands, bring the dough into a pile. Knead once or twice and use the bench scraper or your hands to bring the loose bits into the pile. Now I'll form the dough into a 10 by 4-inch rectangle. You don't need a ruler for this, just eye it out. And you want the dough to be at least 1.5 inches thick. Once you have the rectangle, use the bench scraper or your hand and fold over. Afterwards, I'll recreate the same 10 by 4-inch rectangle and then fold over. I'll repeat this process at least 2 more times. This is going to create the nice layers that are in the biscuit. And those are the layers that I was talking about. Cut the rectangle in half and cut again until you get 8 pieces. Place the biscuit dough on a parchment-lined buttered baking sheet. Place the biscuits in a preheated 425-degree oven for 17 to 20 minutes. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.